Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos on Pinterest. So just open your Pinterest mobile application here, and as you can see here, this is a video. So how that person posted a video in Pinterest. It's very easy. You have to just, first of all, you have to log in into your Pinterest, and once you have logged in, you have to just tap on this plus icon, go to the pin section. Once you tap pin, it will show all the videos available in your phone. If it doesn't, then just go to the video section. Still, if you don't see, then here go to the pick a folder, and from here you can select a video. So for example, this is a video which I want to post. So I will just click on I will select a video and I will click on the next here, and make sure that video can't be very long, right? You can change some of the, for example, you can add text, or you can just change the size. If I just click on size, then here you can see this the size which I can change it, right? And here you can just add a music, just like how you add it over the TikTok or Instagram reels, right? So you can just tap on the new and you can just search for your music. It's very easy thing to do. You can just write something here. You can also make the size smaller, right? You can just turn this around and you can do whatever you want, right? And once it's done, you have to just tap on the next, right? And here you have to add the title. So for example, right now we'll add this title test, right? Description, I will just write here disk, and here in the link, if I want to paste any link, I can just paste a link. So whenever that person click on that video, link will be shown and that person can link and redirect to whichever website you want to do it. This is a board, so you can select any of the board where you want to save it, right? And here tag topics, so you have to search for the topics for which the video is similar. For example, let's take this video is similar to anime. So here I will select anime here. For example, like that, you have to select the tags, and here this is the advanced setting. If you want to allow the comments, you can just select allow comments. Show similar products, so if you want to show products below your video, you can also do that. So make sure that is available, turn on. And once everything is done, if you want to put this as a draft, you want to post it at a different point of time, you can do it, right? Before that, how to add a folder, how to add a cover, right? Just click on pick cover, and then you can just add a cover to your video, right? So for example, right, it's done, and then I will just click on create. Now here you can see publishing pin. It's been publishing your video, so it will take a very few seconds to load your video, basically upload your video to your Pinterest. So now guys, if I just go and tap on the test, as you can see here that my video is available, right? For example, if I just go to my pins, so here as you can see here, the video which I posted is available now, right? Everything is whatever we have selected during this tutorial, it's available here. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.